Good to see you guys like this again.
Good to be back.
Yahoo! Hello, it's me, Mario.
And you said okay to this.
I did. I agreed.
I'm sorry, Diana.
Yeah, like a champ.
It was hard for us too.
How many Joes we got?
There's 3 Joes.
3 Joes in one room.
We get the makeup.
Hello, it's me, it's Mario.
Is that an episode in the can?
That episode's in the can.
Woo!
We're setting up the hardest shot of the day. Joey's got to jump through this. So Sarah right now is in the middle of scoring the back.
No, yeah, I just jumped through it.
Just jumped right through. But if you make any dent in it, just keep punching through. I'm a little nervous, I am.
Don't try this at home. People watching, don't jump through your paintings.
That is a wrap on season 1 of Super Plumber Brothers. Yay! Yay! Yeah! Now it's post-production time. Woo!